is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another epic Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2020 Ford Fusion. I know, man. Are you guys as excited for this as I am? Man, I have always wanted to show you guys a Ford Fusion on the channel. I'm kidding, absolutely joking, but it may not be a super exciting car. Okay, it's a rather boring car, but it's a cheap car, and it's a 2020. This is another Hertz rental car. We're in the blue car section. As you can see, there's the van from earlier. All right, this has 47,000 miles on it. Guys, this is most likely a clean title vehicle, but it's got some interesting damage. I'm not sure what happened to it. I'm looking for hail, but I'm not seeing any hail. It's got nice tires all the way around. The body looks really, really good, but if you notice, there's some plastic bags over the front windows, right? So what happened? Your guess is as good as mine. I have no idea what happened to this poor car, but you're gonna get it. Oh, wow. Oh, they didn't even clean it up. They're like, nope, send it straight to Copart. Straight to Copart. Oh, wow. Yeah, so I it's obvious someone just shattered the windows. And why though? Why? I mean, they just smashed the windows out of it. Looks like there's some damage here. You can't see it because this cover is over it. Oh, I can't even open the door. There we go. There we go. What is going on here? Okay, so obviously she took some... What is this? Oh, the seatbelt has been cut? What? What? Guys, comment below and tell me what you're thinking. Like, it's one thing if a vandal came and smashed out the windows or something, right? But, you know, who's going to take the time to cut the seatbelt? That's what I want to know. People aren't going to take the time to slash the seatbelt. It's almost like something happened to somebody in this car, and maybe the fire department or something came over, had to smash out the window, and someone was over there, smashed out that window, right? They smashed out the windows, and to get them out of the car in a hurry, they cut the seatbelt. I mean, that is a very clean cut. Looks like it was done with a tool that is designed to quickly cut the seatbelt in the event of an accident. You guys tell me, what do you think? You think somebody like was in serious, you know, jeopardy of dying in this car, and you know, the fire department or something came over and just got to it? Is this seatbelt cut too? No, this seatbelt's not cut, guys. I think somebody must have been in big trouble in this car. That's the only thing that makes sense to me. Somebody was in serious jeopardy of not making it. Oh, I'm gonna get glass up my fired right up. Doesn't it make you wonder too if they made it? Arizona tag. So she's from Arizona. I got to be careful with this car, guys, because there's so much glass. The brakes feel good. Steering is good. Let's try not to get cut. Reverse. Yeah. Drive. Yeah. Okay. I mean, obviously, she goes forwards and backwards. She's only got 47,000 miles on the odometer. I don't think we need to worry about the important window there or the lesser important window. Obviously, neither one of those work. Ooh. Hold on. This is bringing back memories. Guys know what hold on. You know, it's obviously this is not what I was thinking, because if it was, the bottom of this spoon would, it would be very, very burnt. I mean, anyway. Yeah, no comment. No comment. Let's pop the hood real quick. All right. Let's just say I used to have friends in low places. All right. That was never my thing. That was never my thing. You couldn't, you couldn't get me to do something like that. I'm too scared of, I'm scared of needles. In that case, I guess I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky that I'm afraid of needles. I could never do that. But I had friends back in the day, you know what I mean? I don't deal with people like that anymore. They're bad for you, man. People like that are really, really bad for you. They bring you down. I can do bad all by my lonely. All right, listen, she runs great. She's got good tires. She's got a good body. It's going to need a heck of a detail, though, man. And then there's obviously, oh, is that a bullet hole? Whoa, hold on. Wait a minute. It almost looks, no. No, I don't think that's a bullet hole. Bizarre. There's something else over here, it says, but I can't see it. Uh-oh. Let's take a look, just make sure I'm not missing a bullet hole in here. No, I'm not. Okay. I mean, that doesn't mean the windows didn't get shot out, I guess. You guys tell me what you think. I don't know. Honestly, I'm at a loss. I'm at a loss here. I don't see any bullet holes. I don't see where there's any damage from bullets. And if someone was shooting at a car, I don't think they just shoot once. You know, I don't think they just shoot once. But I guess they could have popped a few through the windows. But even if they had to pop some at the windows, there should be more damage to the car. There really should. Otherwise, a great looking car. I'm going to stick with my original theory, which is I think somebody needed medical help in this car badly. And somebody came by and whack, took out the windows and cut the seatbelt and helped the individual that was in the driver's seat. I'm going to stick to that. I think that makes the most sense. But definitely drop your comments below and tell me what you think. This car right here, another example of a great, cheap car from a rental company that'll probably last you a long, long time. Last on my list, the 2021 Kia K5. Interesting. How many miles? It doesn't say. It's a K5 EX in a beautiful, beautiful blue. Although it's hard to see how pretty the color is underneath all the dirt and dust. Something happened to this car. Went off-road, it looks like. I don't think it was smashed or anything. All I see is suspension damage and a tad bit of damage. Boy, that wind is kicking today. We got a little bit of damage to the fender here, the door, this rocker cover right here. Obviously, wheel and tire took a nasty, nasty hit. I think it's safe to say, the way this tire is sitting, that there is some pretty major damage underneath there. I wonder if I can get you guys in here. Let me see. I'm gonna just assume control arm damage, right? Maybe broken ball joint. I can't see anything, so you guys will have to tell me. I can't see down there. This camera fits down there nicely though, so I'm going to assume either a broken ball joint or a snapped control arm completely, probably broken tie rod as well. Most likely the strut assembly is bent and completely tore up too. With that said though, you could still make an honest car out of this old girl. Yeah, we got same damage over here to this wheel and tire. Maybe suspension damage back there too. That's something to take into consideration. But the wheel on the back looks like it is straight. Looks like it's where it needs to be. Interesting. Maybe they hit a curb or something. You know, sideswiped a barrier. I don't know. I'm gonna guess something like a curb. They weren't paying attention and or ran off the road and just bang. You know, just rode that curb for a while. And, you know, the car ended up here. That's my guess. 14,001 miles. Wow. Okay, good news. The brake pedal still works. Fired up on her own. We've got no bags blown. I'm surprised. We have seatbelt pretensioners are still good. I expected we would have some side curtain bags or side bags here blown, and no. Ooh, let's be careful. Okay, it doesn't like that. Let's not do that. Let's see. Dash looks good, other than traction control and collision avoidance and TPMS, and you know, it's got a few things going on with it. This is nice. I love these Kias. I really do. I have almost considered trading my Tesla in on a new, what was it? The Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. I've said this before. You guys are probably tired of hearing it, but I have. It goes into gear. It does. So the transmission is still there. Axle's not broken either. It's just got suspension damage. I love these cars. I can't bring myself to get rid of my Tesla for one. I can't. And look at this. Look at this sunroof. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. It is massive. I really, really like it. I do. I'm going to go ahead and shut her down. Let's pop the hood. Let's take a look under the hood. I'm enjoying sitting in this car. It's actually very, very comfortable. It runs quiet. I mean, it is... Look at the suspension. It's still very solid. Well, at least that's how it feels with the car running, car turned off anyway. I guess that makes sense because the electronic power steering rack is not engaged, I guess. Anyway... Oh, she's a little turbo? When did they start doing that? I'm so used to the little Kias being naturally aspirated. All right, she's got herself a Smart Stream Turbo GDI. Oh, yeah. All right, she's got coolant. Guys, I guarantee you go through... Oh, yeah, look at this strut. Look at this strut. Look how cockeyed that's sitting. Yeah, I want to say there's probably going to be strut damage as well. This is an easy fix, though. Like, cosmetically, you don't have to go through and fix everything. You could straighten out as much as you can, fix the suspension, and put a couple tires on it, get a good alignment. Just start driving it. That's what I would do. I wouldn't spend the time or money trying to fix it. You wouldn't buy a car out here to make it perfect, I don't think. Maybe you would. I wouldn't. In my opinion, the cars out here are great to just straighten out as best you can, drive them until the wheels fall off, enjoy them, but I don't think they're worth like trying to make brand double new again. And you go to a dealership, buy a brand new one for that. Anyway, that's the last car. We're done. Well, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Drop those comments down below. I think I really like this little Kia, but the car I'm looking at, okay, hopefully later in the week you'll get to see that video. There is something out here I'm looking at. It is a Porsche, and it's got over 200,000 miles on it, and I would be a complete fool to buy it, but I think I'm going to. So stay tuned for that, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds, links down below. Till next time, stay safe out there. Look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.